Here the question says, Mr. Smith is organizing a school trip. Each child needs to pay £25 for transport. Each child also has to pay X pounds for accommodation. If there was 37 children going on the trip, how much will be the total paid for accommodation? Now let's start by looking at the total number of children. We've got 37 as our total children, so let's just put total children here. Okay, then we also look at Mr. Smith. Each child pays £25 for transport. Now we have £25 for transport here, but the question is not asking about transport. The question is after accommodation. Here we have accommodation. So how it says how much, we have how much will be paid for accommodation. So don't have to waste your time. What if we change the question? We say that okay, accommodation is going to be £5. So let's put this £5 accommodation. Now, but unfortunately for the question, it says accommodation is X pounds, but we're changing it just to give a proper illustration. Now, if accommodation was £5, so what we'll have done is fine. What will be the cost? The cost here will be the total number of children, which is 37, will be multiplied by £5. Or we can bring the amount first, £5. That's for one child, multiplied by a total of 37. Let's do that. Let's have the amount first, which is what? Which is £5, will be multiplied by 37, and that should give us what? We'll have 37 multiplied by 5. 5 times 7 is 35, give a 3, that's 15, and that will be 18. That means we'll be paying a total of 185. But this question doesn't say that. It says X pounds. That means the amount is not known and the amount is being represented by X. So therefore, here, let's just come here and switch this. So we're going to put X there, X pounds for accommodation. So therefore, here, instead of £5, we'll be having what? We'll be having X. So let's remove this and put the X there. So we can see this here has been replaced by this, because that is what we told that accommodation is. We don't know the amount, so they give us X pounds. So we can see the same X pounds coming here. So when we multiply this to, since there's no number here, we can't have this. So we will have in what? So if we put it this way, X37, this will be wrong. The number needs to come before the alphabet in algebra, so we need to rewrite this. So this will be wrong. The number needs to come first, so we make the number come first. 37X. So our answer here, we are after accommodation. That's what it says. If there are 37 children, we have 37 going on the trip. How much will be the total cost for accommodation? So that's going to be the total number, the amount, which is the amount of accommodation, which is X pounds, multiplied by total number of children, will give us what? Will give us our answer, which will be 37X pounds. Beautiful.